You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name. This is a girl's name of Spanish origin indeed. If you want to learn more names from Spanish, stay tuned. This is the name that means lily, the lily flower, Madonna lily, symbol of Mary. Azucena. Azucena is the Spanish pronunciation. Now, sometimes, depending on where they're from in Spain, may be pronounced like TH, Azucena, Azucena. But generally, it's going to be the Z and the C pronounced like S's. Azucena in English, therefore, you can easily say it as Azucena. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.